Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need a new paint job or touch-up, windshield repair, or a tune-up, when you bring your vehicle to San Leandro Honda, you get the quality and professional service you deserve, performed by highly trained professionals. Visit us at www.sanleandrohonda.com. While you're there, check out our service center for information or to set an appointment. Speak to a technician. Schedule a service appointment. And when you use a certified dealer service station, you get the best trade-in price for that vehicle. Call, click, or come in for more information. San Leandro Honda is located at 1302 Marina Boulevard in San Leandro, California.